and thanks for your interest in the DYB project. I'm Gavin Nicholson here in the Centre for Philanthropy and Non-Profit Studies at QUT, and I'm one of the faceless people behind the survey. Before you get started, I just wanted to make a couple of quick points. Look, we've had some feedback about the survey, and you often get this about surveys, that we ask the same question a few times and that it takes a while to do. Why do we do that? There's a couple of points, right? One of them is that we want to make sure we're measuring things accurately. And to do that, we use a couple of statistics techniques that I'm not going to go into. But in essence, it means, yes, we do ask similar questions a few times. And that does something that we call, it reduces measurement error. So if there's sounds like a bit of repetition, yes, there is. They are close, but there's a good reason that we're actually doing that. Of course, that means that the surveys can be a bit longer than if we just asked one question. Okay, well, what we're doing is we're trading off time for accuracy. We think because you're doing a survey, it's more important that we're accurate and we don't get a chance to talk to you. So we're really keen to be as accurate as we can be. The second aspect is actually a good point for you, because it actually means you don't need to agonise over every individual answer to every question. What we're looking for is your first kind of response. So if you're sitting there and there's a question and you're thinking, well, do I strongly agree or do I agree? And it's taking you some time to make up your mind. Don't worry too much. Just give what your first reaction is and then move on to the next question. And because we've asked the same kind of question several times, any unders and overs, they're really going to even out. So in other words, you don't need to agonise over every question. Do it in a reasonable time as you think about it, and through that we can get an accurate, valid response for your organisation, and it shouldn't take you too long. So good luck as you begin the first section. Lots of boards have found this very helpful for them based on our feedback. I hope yours will too.